Alam niyo ba guys, kanina nagbabrowse ako ng mga softwares and I encountered several websites that can imitate a human voice. Take note, this is an AI. So, it's an AI that can imitate human voice. Alam niyo po, ang nakaka-surprise kasi marami na palang company ngayon na gumagamit ng AI human voice sa customer service nila. Imagine nyo, tatawag ka sa customer service nila, akala mo nakikipag-usap ka sa tao, yung pala AI mismo to. At marami na pong websites na ganun, at marami na pong company na ganun. Napaisip ako, 2 to 3 years from now, ano na lang ang magagawa ng AI sa mundo natin? And tandaan po ninyo, if you're working as a customer service and you're working as a BPO, 2 to 3 to 5 years from now, papalitan na kayo ng AI. Kaya po, think about it. Yung trabaho ba ngayon, is it an AI-proof job? If yes, then good for you. And if not, think about it. As early as now, I'm telling you, you have to do something.